What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing about the BitPay wallet and their reviews online. So here you guys can see that I have opened up the Trustpilot website and we're just gonna read their reviews. And here you guys can see that it's a verified company with a total review rating of 1.3 stars, where 238 people have reviewed this company on the Trustpilot, and the rating is very bad. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's just read about some of the reviews. So it says that took my money and my account has been under review for a month and no support or explanation. I paid them $150 verification fee. I have an LLC in the US. So the other person is saying that BitPay is a scam. Check display pic. Uh, was about to pay for the VPN account with crypto and BitPay. The cost was $40 for the product. Connected to the wallet and BitPay requested I approve 200 transfers from my wallet. Scam fraud. And then support is working but really slow. Denial of services without uploading your driving license. Don't apply as a shop owner. Very bad. BitPay is in a scam. So one of the reviews is saying that they helped me to verify successfully, and he has rated it 5 star. Do not use BitPay. So guys, by reading all the reviews on the Trustpilot, I would really suggest you guys to not invest a single amount of money in this BitPay wallet, because this can be very scammy and they can fraud you with your money. So be careful about it. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this pretty helpful.